Hello YouTube watchers and subscribers. Guess where I am today? If you saw my previous video, I gave you a heads up. So, next time, pay attention. I'm at Samsung King's Cross, down in King's Cross. Yeah guys, at 𝐾𝐨𝐧'𝐭 yard, waiting to get into the Samsung hands-on event of their new mobile phones. Fold 7, Flip 7, etc. I'm just waiting to get in with the rest of the crowd. When we get in, we'll kick off. Okay guys, so until then, I'll catch you guys in a mo. Hello guys, I'm still waiting. Look at us. There's some people on the stairs waiting to get in, as it's not 11 o'clock yet. Got 2 more minutes to go. But what I saw, and I thought I'd bring it to you guys while I'm here. Let's turn this around. It's the growth of 𝐾𝐨𝐧'𝐭 yard, King's Cross, guys. The story. So if you're interested about down here, have a look at this guys. I'll try and get it in so you can read it. There's quite a lot of stuff here about the growth of King's Cross. 61 AD, wow, that's going back far, isn't it? Right, you've got a window there with some serious sunlight coming through, so I'm gonna have to come under here because it's really blinding me, and it's gonna blind the lens as well guys, but hopefully you can see it and have a little read yourself if it's close enough for you to do that. You can zoom in if you want and have a look at what's there and how it's grown to 2025 guys. Yeah, look at that, that's 2025. I'm sure there's more left for the future, as it says there. Right guys, we're here, and as usual we've got to register. So we're registering now, so just waiting to get my obligatory notepad and pen and my tag. And guess what? I can see my name there already. As you can see guys, the obligatory notepad and pen. Got to get that to get your notes down. Last time I was down there I didn't write a damn thing. But hey, it comes in handy for other things. That's great stuff. So I'm just registering guys. I've picked up, oh did I show you? I've picked up my badge, as you do, my lanyard, chucked it round my neck, and now I'm just waiting to register. Got to sign a form, it's about a filming consent form. Yeah guys, when you're down here, you waive your rights mate. If you're gonna get in the camera, you've got to be happy with it. So yeah, I'm gonna sign that away, and everyone else has as well, so I've got no worries. There it is guys, and I've got my favourite colour, the jet black. Yeah guys, you know me, I always get jet black for my phones, so that's wonderful that I got that one. Last time when I was here, I got the S25, the small baby, yeah guys, in I think blue. Wow, let's open it up for you. This is my first opening of it. There you are. Right guys, I've got this lovely lady here who's helping me out. Because when you're holding the camera, you lose a hand, but now she's giving me back 2. So that's great. Right, let's get my cocktail ready.
All right, cheers. Here we go. Over to you, sir.
Right.
Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to go back a touch.
Yep.
Press and hold on the power button.
Yep.
Then you tap the 3 lines at the bottom right corner.
Yep.
Tap that. Now you can tap on the video camera.
Yep.
Now you're on Gemini Live.
I'm in Gemini Live now, guys. Live and kicking.
Okay. Now you have to ask Gemini this question and point it at the fridge.
Okay, I see the oat milk in your fridge.
Right, you see the fridge is open. Well done.
What ingredients do you have on hand?
I want this, Gemini. Gemini, have I got everything I need here for an iced matcha?
Okay, I see the oat milk, honey and matcha. It looks like you have everything you need to make an iced matcha. Do you want to make it now?
Yes, please.
Okay, you've got the matcha and the honey. Now, do you prefer your iced matcha with water or milk?
Milk, please.
You'll want to add the matcha powder to a cup with a splash of warm water and whisk until smooth. Then, add your sweetener and fill the glass with ice. Finally, top it off with cold milk and enjoy your iced matcha.
I'm getting it made here, guys, kindly by the Samsung Galaxy expert here. And he's an expert at making matchas as well. I feel like I'm filming him, but I'm not. It's you zooming in.
Okay, you're all set with your iced matcha.
Okay.
Enjoy!
Great.
Brilliant.
Thanks, lovely.
We've got some quiz questions to test how well you're.
Let's do it jointly. Ready?
So, one person now, unravel, take off this box, any one of you.
Okay. Well, we're going to slide it into our jean pocket. Look at us. Slide it in.
So,
So that's a vanity case. So placing the wine items from the table, we're going to try and reach the same table. Okay, so we'll definitely have keys because we're going to get home. We've got the gel.
Let's just
slide that in.
calibrate that.
Yep.
Yeah, guys, we're trying to get all these items here to
Yeah.
weigh the same as the phone, 215 grams.
Yep, let's see what it gets to. Look, we're trying to get to
We've got
215G.
just under 5 minutes as well.
200.
We'll get there.
Right, so come on,
5 minutes to get the weight done,
Keep going.
hopefully not.
Keep going.
What more?
Come on, ladies.
Right, come on. Oh, there you go.
Yay.
Oh,
That's
was it?
210.
No,
Let it
215.
settle.
Let it settle, let it settle.
I think this one.
The little one.
This one.
That's too much.
Nah, that's
The
too
little
much.
one. But it's only 5 grams, isn't it, then?
That's 5 grand. Nah,
Hold on, let it
I
settle.
think something needs changing.
Hold on. Not settling. Right, let's take it out, take something out.
Yeah.
Maybe the glasses.
Yeah, let's put glasses out and put one of these.
Take your hand out. Yep.
Oh,
Take that out. This one.
this is nice.
Go on then, put the glasses in. Moving around again quite a bit. Yep. Ooh.
Yay! Well done, well done. Yeah, you got there. Hello guys, we're just taking a break before we head off to our next task, and here it is guys. I'm putting it side to side with my S25 Ultra, and let's get the case off. It doesn't make sense having the case on, does it? So that's the S25 and that's the Ultra, I should say, and this is the Z Fold 7. Look at that guys. I'm putting them together, and that's the width of the S25 Ultra behind. It's just a little bit wider. So the good thing about that, in the sense of the Fold 7, yeah? The good thing is that it's not too wide if you've got smaller hands. So while this, obviously, you need kind of a big hand to hold it width-wise, yeah? So if you're someone with slimmer hands, you might be stretching a bit, especially with your thumb, to get things done. While with this, it's a bit easier to get your thumb across to tap on the screen, as you can see there. So that is really good. While before, like with the Z Fold 6, it was a little bit smaller than this, to the point where people didn't like it because it was too slim. But now they've widened the screen a bit, but not too wide, that it's as wide as a phone like this. So for smaller hand people, you can have a good hold of it and get across the screen easier. So that's really, really good, guys. And if you look at this, guys, open, there's a slight crease there, as you can see, but not as bad as before. And in the hand, it feels really, really good, I must say. The slimness is really, really nice. I do like it, I must say. And yeah, Samsung have done a really, really good job on this. There's no doubt about it. The camera hump is the same as they've always done. It kind of, if you put it on a flat surface, it's going to rock a little bit. But yeah, when you put a case on it, it's going to be all right. But as it stands now, it's ticking all the boxes. So that's great. We're off to the next task, guys, so I'll catch you in a mo.
So we're focusing on the theme of our imaginary festival. It is imaginary. Don't turn up to this location and expect there to be anything going on, because there won't be. But we're looking for our headliner act and our location of our festival. So I have a few riddles for you. They might not make too much sense, but we're going to work them out together. Alright. So we want to find our headliner, and our riddle for this is: gaze through me, your clues in view. A man awaits with news for you. In his hands a sign displayed. Headline act name portrayed. So, any first thoughts?
So when you gaze through something, it's like a mirror or window, right? So
Yeah.
glass or glass, so
Definitely.
window or mirror.
A window.
View, window, okay. A man awaits with news for you. Window news, newspaper news.
We need to zoom somewhere, right?
Yes.
Zoom, yeah.
So now we'll go to the next riddle, and it will hopefully clear.
Okay.
So we'll look
Through a window, zoom.
through the window, don't stay inside. But do stay inside. Someone holds the clue you must find. Blind the post-it in their hand. It tells you where the festival is.
Oh right, so we're going to zoom into something on the screen or in the picture.
Not on this side.
Somewhere else.
Through the window.
Through the window. Because we're going through a window.
Look, there's somebody holding something right there.
And we're...
Oh, you can see it. Okay, let me zoom.
You want to go up to the window? Feel free.
Yeah, let's do that. Right, let's go.
I can't see them.
Right, so we've got to look through the window, guys, and zoom through. Oh, let me get over here. Let me have a look. Is it down? Is that? Oh, there it is. Yeah. Through the window.
See me, guys? Bless her, she's getting baked up in the heat.
And someone's got a...
Find the headliner.
There it is, guys.
There's
Addington
another
Park,
person over there.
Chertsey. Oh yeah, all right. All right, his paper was flapping around when I took it.
Thank you.
We are happy with that.
Yeah, we got another one. Well done. Last one.
And what to get?
And what? A goodie bag.
I hope so.
I've got enough stuff to carry.
I'll drop it off if you want.
If I could invite all four of the team captains up, please. There's one there. Another team captain, Coral Red. Jacob's there. One more team captain. They should be on to. Are we ready? Right, so we need to make sure that we're getting all these unlocked so that you guys can take your prizes home with you. So, Jacob, you are Silver Shadow. If you could please try and unlock your one here, just be mindful that the line's on that side there, alright? And while we're doing that, we'll see if we can get some photos on the back here. There you go, there's some of them. Oh. There you go, look, it's tiny. It's not really small there, so there's some photos on there. You ready to rock and roll? Yeah? Happy? Oh, one down, one to go. Well done, matey, well done. Take a seat, please. What's in the box? What's in the box? Well done, yeah, we get so yes, we do get, and be careful, don't break this. We do get one of everything, and even a bucket hat as well in there, so that's perfect. In your teams again, I'm going to get you to come up and grab your present. So, we've got a very special guest who's stick at a job, and she loves public speaking. So we're going to hand you over to Rox, who's going to take you through what you're going to be doing. So round of applause, please, for Rox. See how happy he is about it.
He lies. Well, first of all, welcome everyone. I'm rocks. I'm part of the Insiders team. I guess we don't get many opportunities to meet you guys in person and talk to you. So on behalf of the Insiders, thank you all for coming today. It's an important day because you guys are one of the first few people in the country to actually get your hands on the flip and fold. And we're on a great mission today to actually write these reviews for other consumers and to make sure they're informative and to make sure that we put a lot of great detail into them, because the next person that's going to see that review, it's gonna matter a lot for them. So write about the things you loved, the things that you think could be improved as well. We want your authentic opinion, and please do not forget this will be important for everyone reading it. Thank you so much for coming again, and good luck. We'll be here to help you.
So yes, there we go. As mentioned before this as well, we started. This side, if you want to write a review on the foldables, foldable on the fold. This side, you want to write a review on the flip. But as mentioned, if you write 2 reviews, you'll get 2 pin badges. All right. So get comfortable. We've got the whole area for the next hour or so. So get sitting down whenever you want to do it. Yeah, do implore you to do 2 reviews, get 2 pin badges, and away we go. So yeah, we're going to hand out these sheets in just a second. Enjoy your review writing, guys. Thank you.
Right guys, that's it. It's over. Oh, it's all done. And now it's for me to go home and get this footage. To go home and get this footage. God, I can't even talk with this stuff in my mouth. I don't know why I edit and started to talk. That's bad manners, guys, bad manners. It's now for me to go home, get this footage edited and up for you guys to see. So, until the next video, I will catch you guys later.